Welcome to our tutorial where we will guide you through the process of effortlessly adding a signature in Microsoft Outlook. Whether you're a professional looking to enhance your email etiquette or simply want to personalize your emails, this tutorial will provide you with easy-to-follow steps to create and include a signature seamlessly in your Outlook emails. The initial step in setting up your email signature in Outlook is accessing the signature settings. This involves navigating through the menu by clicking on File, then selecting Options, followed by Mail, and finally choosing Signatures. By following these steps, you will reach the section where you can create and customize your unique email signature to make a lasting impression. After accessing the signature settings, the next step involves creating and adding your signature in Outlook. By clicking on New, you can input your desired signature text, customize its format, and specify when to apply the signature. Whether it's for new emails, replies, or forwarded messages, this allows you to tailor your signature for different types of correspondence within Outlook. The final step in adding a signature in Outlook involves confirming your settings by clicking OK. This action saves your customized signature and ensures that it is automatically included in all your outgoing emails. By completing this step, you can rest assured that your signature will be consistently appended to your emails, providing a professional touch to your correspondence within the Outlook platform.